In this video, we unbox and install the Amarrex mooring line holder, a clean, efficient way to organize dock lines. Shown here is the 55-inch version, pre-assembled and neatly packed. Installation takes about 3 minutes and is quick to complete. The only tools needed are a cutter and a 17mm wrench, nothing more. 2 lengths are available, 140 centimeters, 55 inches, and 170 centimeters, 67 inches, depending on the freeboard of the boat. Inside the box is a small poly bag containing 4 reflective stickers for later customization. The holder is wrapped in a transparent protective film to prevent scratches during transport. It should be removed carefully to preserve the coating. On the back, the Amarrex logo is applied as a sticker. It can be removed or replaced with a boat name, QR code, or contact details. For mounting on a pontoon, the optional PTM10 kit is used. It includes a pair of T-bolts and washers in marine-grade 316 stainless steel. The holder itself is also made from coated 316 stainless. It's recommended to use 316 stainless steel hardware, bolts, nuts, or screws, depending on the chosen installation method. Our kit PTM10 is available in the boat accessory section and is compatible with floating docks equipped with T-rails. Before installation, the bolt should be prepared with the washer and nut partially threaded. This makes the process easier and avoids dropping hardware into the water. The T-bolt locks inside the rail and remains adjustable while loose. Washer goes on top, followed by the nut. The holder is then positioned in the rail and aligned with the helm. This placement makes it easy to grab dock lines from the boat without stepping off the deck. There's no need to over-tighten. A firm adjustment is enough. The kit includes a nylon insert lock nut to absorb vibrations and hold everything in place. As a final touch, reflective stickers can be applied. This step is optional but useful for visibility in crowded marinas, at night or in poor weather. Strips can be aligned to match the direction of approach when returning to the berth. 4 stickers are included, allowing up to 38 possible combinations. These are single-use. Once applied, they should not be removed and repositioned. It's best to take time to align them carefully on the first try. The installation is now complete. The design ensures the mooring line holder stays upright and stable, even when swinging or under light movement. Unlike many models that lean or twist over time, Amarrex maintains perfect alignment thanks to its balanced geometry and center mounting. No adjustments needed once installed. The result, a reliable, clean setup that keeps dock lines dry, visible, and always within reach. Available in 2 lengths, 140 centimeters and 170 centimeters. Get yours today on Baywatt.com.